Always dreamt of donning on wings and strutting the catwalk 37,000 feet in the air? Here's your chance to get a closer glimpse of AirAsia's awesome cabin crews. Take part in AirAsia's Live It Up in the Air Cabin Crew Challenge. Outwit your opponents and walk away with $20,000 worth of air travel vouchers. Here's how you can be part of this exciting challenge. Shoot a 30-second video of yourself convincing us you have what it takes to win the 5 days challenge and travel for free around AirAsia's awesome network. Before taking on the ultimate challenge, you'll have to go through a cabin crew crash course and pick up vital skills and techniques to help you overcome the 5 days challenge and outsmart your opponents on a real commercial flight. What's more, fans can vote for their favorite contestant of the show and stand to win AirAsia air travel vouchers to Seoul, Hangzhou and Osaka. Experience the air lifestyle. Take part in the challenge today. Find out more on Facebook AirAsia Singapore and Twitter at AirAsia SG today.